name is Holta Pils. I'm 36 years old and I live in Tirana, Albania. I lived for a long while in Düsseldorf, Germany, and there I studied German language, which I earned a degree from. At the moment, I live in Tirana and I'm a personal trainer and a coach spotter in a gym. After a year of healthy eating and training at workout, I was able to compete in body fitness in my country and I won the first prize as a champ in the category of body fitness. Then I competed for International Federation Bodybuilding in Serbia for Balkan Cup, which I was in the top 5 winners in the woman physique category. Yeah. I started all of this because of myself, wanting a healthier, fit and younger body. You'd ask why would I want to be a spokesmodel for your industry? Well, firstly I know how huge and well known your company is worldwide, and with how much work and effort it was built. I live in a small country and want to bring out the best example from it. Through this, I want to motivate people to live a better and healthier life, which could be achieved just through self-confidence sports, including gym. I was told by people throughout this journey that it was not possible. Despite people's words, I went through it and achieved what I wanted. Also, you can do it if you put your mind to it. To be fit isn't an objective, but it must be the routine of your life. Working and motivating people day in and day out is never easy, because people are unique, individual, with different characters, so helping them feel confident, happier and prettier is what it feels me good. As an athlete, I try to put in people's minds that changing their body for the good and better it's possible, even when they think it's not. I want to be your spokesmodel, because I want to show people that they don't have to be perfect or professional athletes to achieve it what you want. Don't be ashamed if you tried and failed. I'd like to motivate you that it can be pretty easy to realize it. Also showing them through the world of bodybuilding that living fit and going to gym is the best way to live healthier and to be younger. Through this I wanted to show you that changing into the best version of yourself is not impossible. You can feel happy, healthy and beautiful. I achieved it in the time factor didn't matter. I was able to change myself and so you will. I'll bring out the best of me, and I'm sure if you choose and like me as a spokesmodel in bodybuilding industry, I will not disappoint you. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.